Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Candy, and in today's video I will be creating this natural looking crochet hairstyle. There are no tracks, nothing to see here, just my hair flourishing, in my dreams. Anyway, this is the hairstyle I'll be creating, and if it is something you're interested in seeing, keep on watching. The hair extensions I'll be using are these ones from Darling. It is a 20-inch kinky afro hair extension, and actually it has about 12 strands inside, but I think I used about 5 or 6 of them because I was going to cut them anyway. I didn't want them to be too long, too obvious, or too heavy to carry even. So I just cut them like I'm illustrating in the video, and that's the amount I used. And then I just cut it in the center, and this is exactly how it looks after you cut. And this is how it will look when you fixed it on your hair, and it will actually stretch out a little bit. I just used my hand to pull out the parts that were blunt so that it would kind of blend in with my hair. And then this is me just trying to like detangle my hair just with my fingers. I don't know if you've seen my video where I detangled my hair with a detangling brush. It just made stuff very easy because look how I am combing my hair without squinting. Next, I just applied some leave-in conditioner just to soften the hair a little bit more and just to moisturize it because the hair is going to be in this hairstyle for like 2 weeks or so. I added some shea butter as well, and I combed again. If you don't want to comb, you can just leave it, but I just wanted it to be free of any tangles or any lumps, as I'd like to blend this hair to the extensions. Anyway, this is how my hair looks, and I'm just going to part my hair, like the crown of my hair actually, from ear to ear. I'm trying to put it as forward as possible because I don't want the crochet to be half and then my hair half. I want the crochet to come forward and then my hair would just be like a leave out to give it an illusion of, it's my hair type of stuff. So I tried to perfect the line. It looks good in my opinion, and I'm just going to twist the front just to keep it out of the way so that I can go ahead and braid the back into cornrows. One of the reasons I love this hairstyle so much is the fact that it mimics my natural hair texture, and it is also very, very cheap. With the way things are so expensive these days, you can just buy this pack of extensions. It used to be less than 2,000, but now it's 3K. But still, it is cheap and you can use it twice. Isn't that wonderful? After braiding the first and second cornrow, I'm just going to attach the tail of the first cornrow into the second one so that they would kind of be connected, and I won't have to come and attach all of them together because it's going to form like a very big clump. So this is what I'm going to do with the rest of the braids, and I'll come back and see you when I'm done. So this is how the braids are looking, or the cornrows, and I'm just going to tuck in the tail into the remaining cornrows so that it is invisible. And the next, I'm going to spray my hair with my water mix. This contains water, leave-in conditioner, and oil, just to moisturize my hair underneath the braids. And then I'm going to put my hair growth oil. I have a video on this oil on this channel, which I'm going to link in the description, and I'll put a card above as well. I'm just massaging that, and next I'm going to start crocheting the extensions. So normally you just put in the hook, open it and grab the loop, and then put it back in and loop it again, as I am showing you here. I'm looping it twice actually because I don't want it to loose at this end. Put in your crochet, grab your hair, pull it through the other side, and then use your hands to pick the remaining tail and loop it 2 times to make a knot. And that's what I'm going to do till the very end. That's for the first row, because at the top now I'm not going to put it individually on each strand because I don't want it to be too full. The hair is already it's a full kind of hair. It's an Afro Kinky extension, so I don't want it to be extremely full. So I was doing and skipping. Like for instance, I would put an extension on one braid, and as opposed to putting it on the next braid, I'm going to skip and go on to the next braid so that there would be, so that there would be some sort of gap and space in between the hair. For the front part, I'm just going to finish off by putting in this hair just at the very beginning of the corn row, and then I'm going to close that. And this time around, I'm just going to loop it once because I don't want to make too much of a knot here. And I'm just going to keep doing that for the rest of the braids. There's a part I really want to show you guys because that part I feel is essential. It's kind of the trick I use to make it look invisible, to make it look fuller, and to give an illusion of it's my hair or it's growing out of my head type of thing. So I think I'm going to show you guys that now. First of all, I like to split the extensions, and then when I loop it, instead of taking both tails, I'm just going to take one and then make the knot. So the knot is actually in the center of the braid and not the entire braid. Look again, I'm going to take the extension through and then loop only one of the tail. The knot will be in the center and not at the top of the cornrow. Now look at how it's going to look when I drop it. Do you see? It's going to look like it's growing out of my hair. That's exactly what we're going for. So after making this, I'm just going to try to pick from each of the extensions and crisscross until that center is closed, because the first hairstyle I'm not trying to do is like a deep center part, no. So what I did was to trim any excess hair, and this is how it looks right before I comb my actual hair and then lay it on the extensions. I'm going to make a center part and make sure that it aligns with the center part I made on the cornrows, and then I'm just going to just perfect the line and keep pushing my hair until I am satisfied with the results. If I don't tell you, you're not going to know that it's not really my hair. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying out this hairstyle. I hope you do find any of my other videos interesting and to your liking, because I like to share a lot of beauty tips. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. If this video was helpful and you're unsure of what to comment, just type helpful in the comments, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.